Biking down the path where the memories fade. Found a weather station in the sun's last shade. Closed in 2010, left to the whims of time. Nature's taking over, reclaiming what's mine. Looking at the structures, rusty and worn, I wonder what secrets this place has borne. Why did they build it high, standing so proud, now lost in the silence, covered by clouds? Echoes in the air, whispers of the past, in this abandoned shell, shadows are cast, exploring every corner, looking for a sign. In the heart of decay, I'm lost in the divine. Creeping through the door, the walls creak inside. An empty radar shell focusing on the sky. Air ducts twist and turn like a forgotten dream. I ask myself, why in this quiet theme? Worn out constructions with stories to tell, echoing footfalls in this eerie shell. Nature's wild fingers climbing the steel. In this strange realm I start to feel real. Echoes in the air, whispers of the past, in this abandoned shell. Shadows are cast, exploring every corner, looking for a sign. In the heart of decay, I'm lost in the divine. Flying up in the sky, the view's wide and free. Like a dove soaring high, I can finally see the landscape unfolds. The horizon's a dream, but the clouds are rolling in, a distant scream. I plan my descent, feeling the ground quake, back to the cracked earth, decisions to make. Echoes in the air, whispers of the past, in this abandoned shell. Shadows are cast, exploring every corner, looking for a sign. In the heart of decay, I'm lost in the divine. As the rain starts to fall, I quicken my pace, leaving the radar behind in nature's embrace. But the echoes will linger, in shadows they play. In the heart of this ruin, I'll find my way back someday.